Good morning, class. So, we know that our principal gets us newspapers every day, but sometimes those newspapers cannot be incorporated in a lesson. But today's lesson is perfect for a newspaper. So, I have newspapers here for you guys. We will pass them out. Each learner gets one newspaper. Once you have received your newspaper, turn to page 5 and pick your heads up so I know that you're all ready for me. Okay, so let's look at the headline that says the happiest days of your life. We're gonna now read the contents of this headline. We're gonna read together. I want you guys to read in your mind. I will read out aloud. Pay careful attention to detail. Pay careful attention to what the writer is trying to say and the information given in this passage. Okay, let's start reading. The Happiest Days of Your Life by Paul Dlamini. School days should be a happy time in a person's life. What can make people's lives a misery during this time then? In my opinion, there is one word which answers this question: bullying. Bullying is quite common in schools. It can affect learners of any age and any gender. Cyberbullying has become a modern hazard to many teenagers. A friend of mine had a very negative experience last year when a nasty message was posted about him on Facebook. His schoolwork deteriorated, and some days he did not want to come to school at all. What can we do to stop this problem? Personally, I think teachers need to be more aware that bullying may be happening in their class and be very strict when they are aware of it. As for learners, if they find out their classmate is being bullied, they should support them as much as possible. Bullying can be a nightmare, and there are things we can do to prevent it. Hopefully, one day all students will be able to go to school without the fear of being bullied. School days will then be the happiest days of your life. Okay. So has everybody listened attentively? What can we pick up from the what we have just read? What is it about? Excellent. So let's look at the content as a whole, from the heading till the last word is in there. What is this called? What is this type of passage called? Excellent. So this is an article, and articles is one of the many transactional writing texts that we have in the English language. During this next couple of days, we are going to be going through a series. The series is going to be called the Writing Series. In the series, we are going to be looking at each of the different transactional writing texts, and we are going to explain them, we're going to format them, we are going to attempt them, we're going to do examples, activities to make our writing better. Like I said, in the series, we are going to learn about the different transactional texts we have in writing. Each text will be analyzed, explained, attempted. Today, we will start off with the article, which can be a newspaper or a magazine article, which is found in a newspaper or magazine. It is a text giving information about a current situation that is occurring, or it can be for entertainment, it can be to convey current news, it can be to help people understand better. There are a lot of articles that are written for many different reasons. So in the next step, we are going to unpack the article. We are going to look at different types of articles, why these different types are written. We're going to go through examples. We are going through activities, and the what I want you guys to learn from this lesson is how to write an article, how to analyze a good article, and how to critically edit your work to make it perfect.